Hello everyone, welcome back to Oraanj Interior Design, where we dive deep into the art of creating beautiful and functional living spaces. If you're passionate about interior design or just looking for ways to make your home feel more spacious and connected, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about open concept living, what it is, why it's so popular, and how you can make it work for your space. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any thoughts or questions as we go along, leave them in the comments. We love hearing from you. Let's start with the basics. Open concept design is all about breaking down walls, literally and figuratively, to create a seamless, airy flow between different areas of your home. Instead of traditional compartmentalized rooms, open concept spaces merge key living areas like the kitchen, dining, and lounge into one harmonious space. But why has this design become such a staple in modern interiors? Well, for one, it maximizes space, making even smaller homes feel expansive. It also encourages social interaction, whether you're hosting guests or simply spending time with family. Plus, with the right approach, an open concept home can be just as functional as it is aesthetically pleasing. One of the biggest advantages of open concept design is the feeling of spaciousness. By removing unnecessary walls, you allow natural light to flow freely, creating an inviting and airy atmosphere. This not only makes your home look bigger, but can also boost your mood and energy levels. Natural light plays a crucial role in enhancing a home's overall ambience. With fewer walls obstructing light, open concept spaces can maximize the impact of large windows, skylights, and glass doors, allowing daylight to reach further into the home. This can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering energy costs, and making the space feel even more expansive. Additionally, the sense of openness contributes to better airflow and ventilation, which can make your home feel fresher and more comfortable. By strategically placing windows or incorporating sliding doors that open onto outdoor areas, you create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection, reinforcing the feeling of boundless space. Even in compact homes, these design choices help eliminate a sense of confinement, making daily life feel more relaxed and enjoyable. Another great perk is flexibility. Open spaces can be easily reconfigured to suit your needs. Want to rearrange your furniture for a dinner party? No problem. Need a larger area for your kids to play? Done. With fewer structural barriers, your home adapts to your lifestyle rather than the other way around. It also enhances connectivity, whether you're cooking in the kitchen while chatting with family in the lounge, or keeping an eye on the kids as they do their homework. The design naturally fosters engagement and togetherness, making it a fantastic choice for family homes. Of course, no design is without its challenges. One of the main concerns with open concept living is noise. Without walls to contain sound, conversations, TV noise, and kitchen clatter can all blend. To manage this, consider using soft furnishings like rugs, curtains, and upholstered furniture to absorb sound and maintain a comfortable noise level. Another challenge is defining different areas within the open space. Without walls to separate zones, it can sometimes feel like everything is blending chaotically. But don't worry, there are plenty of tricks to help you create visual and functional distinctions while maintaining that open feel. So, how do you make open concept living work for you? The key is strategic design. One of the best ways to define areas is through clever zoning techniques. Rugs, different flooring materials, or even changes in ceiling height can help delineate spaces without breaking the open flow. Furniture placement is another powerful tool. Sofas, shelving units, or console tables can act as subtle dividers, giving each area its own identity while keeping the overall space connected. And don't forget lighting. It plays a huge role in creating distinction. Pendant lights over a dining table, under cabinet lighting in the kitchen, and floor lamps in the living area can all help structure your space without the need for physical barriers. Color schemes also work wonders. You don't need drastic differences, but subtle shifts in color tones for different areas can create a sense of separation while maintaining harmony. For example, a warm neutral palette in the lounge might transition to a slightly deeper tone in the dining area, helping to visually differentiate the spaces. Another way to enhance the distinction is by incorporating accent walls or textured finishes. A soft, muted blue in the living space could give way to a rich, earthy tone in the dining area, subtly reinforcing the shift in function while maintaining cohesion. Additionally, using different materials in combination with color can further define spaces. A matte paint finish in the lounge might contrast beautifully with a semi-gloss or satin finish in the dining area, subtly playing with light to indicate a transition between zones. If you prefer a more cohesive look, carrying a single color throughout the space but varying its intensity can create a seamless yet structured design. This technique keeps the space feeling unified while still offering subtle differentiation. The key is to maintain a balanced palette that enhances the openness while providing enough visual cues to distinguish each area's purpose. One common misconception about open concept homes is that they lack storage, but with smart design, you can have the best of both worlds. Built-in storage solutions, such as floor-to-ceiling shelving or discrete cabinetry, help keep the space clutter-free while maintaining the openness. Multifunctional furniture is another lifesaver. Think ottomans with hidden compartments, extendable dining tables, or stylish storage benches that double as seating. The goal is to keep everything accessible yet neatly tucked away to maintain the clean and open aesthetic. Beyond just storage, multifunctional furniture also enhances the versatility of an open concept space. A sleek console table can transform into a full dining table when guests arrive, while a modular sofa can be rearranged to accommodate different seating arrangements depending on the occasion. Foldable desks or wall-mounted workstations are fantastic additions for those who need a workspace that doesn't permanently occupy precious square footage. Another great example of multifunctional furniture is extendable kitchen islands that can be expanded when extra prep space is needed, or retracted to create more room for movement. Similarly, beds with built-in storage drawers, or Murphy beds, that fold up into the wall provide practical solutions for smaller homes, ensuring that no space goes to waste. For those who entertain frequently, nesting coffee tables or expandable dining tables offer the flexibility to accommodate more guests when necessary, while retracting to save space when not in use. Even bookshelves can double as rotating partitions, allowing you to create temporary privacy within an open layout. By selecting pieces that adapt to different needs, you ensure that your space remains both functional and visually appealing. Smart furniture choices can help you embrace the openness of an open concept home without sacrificing organization or comfort. Another great option is furniture with integrated technology. Consider coffee tables with built-in wireless charging pads, beds with hidden storage drawers, or kitchen islands with retractable countertops to extend prep space. These innovations not only contribute to a clean, organized aesthetic, but also maximize functionality in an open-plan environment. For those who love hosting, bar carts and nesting tables offer stylish yet practical solutions, easily moved around as needed. And don't forget dual-purpose decor, ottomans that act as both footrests and additional seating, or bookshelves that double as subtle room dividers. Every piece should contribute to both form and function, reinforcing the seamless and spacious feel of an open concept design. A common worry with open plan layouts is that they can feel too vast or impersonal. But with the right elements, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Layering textures, such as plush rugs, soft throws, and upholstered furniture, adds depth and warmth to the space. Another trick is using different lighting levels to create ambience. Dimmers, table lamps, and warm LED lights can make a large space feel more intimate, especially in the evenings. Adding greenery is another excellent way to introduce warmth. Plants not only enhance aesthetics, but also improve air quality, making your space feel fresher and more inviting. To give you a real-life example, let's look at a small city flat that was transformed with open concept design. Initially, the space felt cramped, with separate kitchen, dining, and living areas. By removing a few non-structural walls and opting for an open-plan layout, the homeowners created a bright, airy environment. To define spaces, they used a large area rug under the lounge furniture, pendant lights over the dining table, and a kitchen island to provide a natural separation between the cooking and entertaining areas. The rug not only anchored the seating area, but also introduced a sense of comfort and warmth, making the lounge feel like a distinct yet connected zone. The pendant lights served as both a visual focal point and a functional element, drawing attention to the dining area while providing the perfect lighting for intimate dinners or lively gatherings. The kitchen island became the heart of the space, a hub for food preparation, casual dining, and socializing. By selecting a waterfall edge countertop and pairing it with stylish bar stools, they maintained a sleek and cohesive aesthetic while ensuring practicality. Additional shelving and storage within the island kept kitchen essentials neatly tucked away, preserving the open and uncluttered feel of the home. To enhance the flow further, they incorporated sheer curtains that allowed natural light to filter through, while providing subtle definition between areas when needed. The combination of these design choices resulted in a home that felt significantly larger and more connected, without losing functionality or a sense of purpose within each zone. If you're considering open concept design, remember to balance aesthetics with practicality. Keep walkways clear, ensure your furniture layout promotes movement, and don't be afraid to experiment with textures and lighting to create a comfortable and cohesive environment. Most importantly, make sure your space reflects your lifestyle. Whether you love hosting dinner parties, working from home, or simply enjoying a bright and breezy living area, open concept living should enhance your daily experience. And that's a wrap on today's discussion about open concept living. Hopefully, you found these tips useful and inspiring for your own home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest design insights. We'd love to hear from you. Are you a fan of open concept spaces, or do you prefer more traditional layouts? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.